They call me Destiny.
Yeah, 767, Elevate Crew, King Speech. Yeah. Your wife in front, I really love this place, I really love this place, yeah. Hats off to the sovereign nation, home of the best vibrations, combination of beauty born from emancipation, such a fascination. I live where you wanna go, yeah, beautiful destination. Put a little gas in the car, look how you live your law. Gonna take a trip to the sofa spot, like 10 beaches where we are, yeah. Turn up the music now, boy on auto car. Maybe God that's, turn the God that say don't say nothing, it's infectious. I'm a sucker for vegan codfish, out of that shit that's the real dish. Call a little boy you in business, what's up and 10 on a steam fish. These people they minding my business, that's okay cause I feel this. Love whenever I'm in it, that's the real Dominican spirit.
I love beauty, I love splendor, bli meilleur, I like her. Dominica, Dominica. I love beauty, I love splendor, porque toujours à la j'aime, ouais. Dominica. I live where you vacate, Dominica, baby. We got a river for each day. Catch me in San Jose City. Nothing but peace in the shores, nothing but bliss on these tours. When you see her, greet with applause. My life is better than yours. After God is the earth, and here is the closest to heaven. This is the land of my birth. I'm rapping 767, modern day God in the feeding. You disagree and you tripping. Whitey, Kumbali, glistening. You don't know what you're missing. I am so DA, from the toe to the head. You cut me, you get green, yellow, white, black and red. One people, one nation, enough respect. Dominica, the best place on earth, enough is said.